Hello class. So today I'm going to show you guys how to back up your files from class into your Google Drive. If you're graduating, you're going into summer, going into spring break, having anything computers replaced, this is the way to back it up to make sure you guys are covered. So first things first, you just got to open up the internet, and you can type. If Google is your home page, you can just come up to the apps right here and just go on Drive. But if Google's not your home page, you can just type in Google, and then you can type in Google Drive. Or again, if you have your login and you're logged in, you can just click on Drive right here. So either one. If you're not already logged in, it will have you log in when you click on your Google Drive. Now, it could be you could have your folders selected and make a new folder. You could have your files and just bring over files. It just depends on what you're bringing over. In this case, we're bringing over our Maya folders because that's what we've been working in. If we were using Photoshop or any other folders and we were saving stuff, we just got to make sure we're bringing all that stuff over. So we've been saving stuff properly on user storage, but for some reason, if you saved anywhere else, just make sure that you're dragging that also in. So again, I'm taking my Maya folder I've been using, and I'm going to actually just drag that into my Google Drive on the Files page. So if you guys go on your File page, so just make sure you click on Files, you should be able to just drag it in. And then down here, we'll show you how long it's loading. So again, if you've been saving stuff for a long time in your folder, it might take a while because there might be a lot of stuff or information to drag in. Again, show you that again, I'll show a different folder. So let's say, I'm taking another one of my classes. And here's another Maya file with a lot of pictures and folders. Again, I can just drag it in, drop it. It will copy that folder for me. As you guys see, they're loading both. It tells you how many. So you guys can see, again, this one had 3,000 files, so that's going to take a little bit. And this one only has 134, so that should be a lot faster. And again, if you have anything on your desktop, anything anywhere else that you need to save, just make sure you're dragging that in and you're just finding where you're saving it. Again, if you should have been saving everything in my class under user storage. And again, you should be able to just drag your folders over. But again, you can drag individual things too. So again, if it's just images or you just want one Maya file or your ZBrush files or your Photoshop files, you guys can just drag those in individually. But just make sure you know that you make sure you back it up. And make sure before you're closing out over here, it says it's done because you don't want to stop it if it's not done. So again, that is how you're going to back up your Google Drive for your class computers. Thanks again.